अगर कोई क्वेश्चन का आंसर ना आए तो प्लीज जज मत करना.
ठीक है, so we'll be starting with the first round. Right answers 10 points, with hints 5 points, and
So what is the order here?
we'll start with Jnanish, Preetham, Nitish, Seshan, and then Bharat.
Okay.
मैं एक सेकंड वो ऑर्डर सेट कर लेता
स्कूल में रोल नंबर भी लास्ट आता था, यहाँ पे क्विज में भी ना क्वेश्चन लास्ट है. चलो
I'll be third, right? And
हूँ.
after
Second after Jnanish.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Nitish first. Sorry, my bad. Alphabet भी भूल गया.
Nitish second, I will be third, right?
Nitish second, yeah. Sorry. Okay, so first question to Jnanish. Which former Indian opening batsman has scored the most runs in Ranji Trophy?
इसमें कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
वसीम जाफर.
Wasim Jafar is the right answer. 10 points to Jnanish. Good job. खाता खुल गया.
Nice one.
क्या बात है यार.
Next question जाता है नीतीश को. So there are 4 batsmen: Donald Bradman, Chris Gayle, Brian Lara, and Virendra Sehwag. What is common to these batsmen with respect to Test cricket?
Okay. All of them open the innings.
Nahi. Passing to Preetham.
Okay. They scored 2 triple centuries.
That is the right answer.
Oh,
Good
yes.
answer, so Preetham ke 10 points. Next question goes to Seshan.
Seshan. I want the question. Next is my number.
No,
right?
point score kiya to it goes to the next one.
Is it?
Yeah, because वो फिर repeat हो जाएगा इसीलिए. You
Okay,
get
but
more
then
opportunities to score. I
how will I
wanted to
get
keep
more?
it.
How will I get more opportunity if I don't get questions?
No, because if you answer and again you get a question, because you're getting 2 questions back to back, right?
But that question was fast, right? So I don't know. It's different. Anyway, fine.
Cool. Next question to Seshan. What unique achievement links Lasith Malinga and Rashid Khan in T20 international cricket?
Okay. They've both taken a hat trick.
No, there's a lot of bowlers who have taken a T20 hat trick.
Okay.
So we'll pass this to Bharat.
Pass. Yeah.
Is it number of wickets taken by both of them same?
No. Passing to Jnanish.
Both have been ICC number 1 ranking bowlers in a respective year.
No. Passing to Nitish.
Most number of wickets in an over.
No. Passing to Preetham.
I think they took 4 wickets in an over. I think.
Yes,
Can
that's
you
what I was trying to say.
improve that answer?
I think maybe 4 consecutive wickets. I guess.
Yeah, that is the answer that I was. 4 consecutive wickets. So good answer, Preetham. Another 10 points. So next question goes back to Seshan. Yeah, Seshan. So who is the only cricketer to have scored 3 centuries in his first 3 Test matches?
Okay. Three centuries in the first 3 tests. So is it international test matches? I mean,
Yeah. Not Ranji.
Okay. Is it Michael Clark?
Not Michael Clark. Passing to Bharat.
Pass.
Okay. Passing to Jnanish.
Is it only restricted to India or कोई भी?
International.
Graham Smith.
Not Graham Smith. Passing to Nitish.
Is it Ricky Ponting?
Not Ricky Ponting. Passing to Preetham.
Azharuddin.
I didn't get you.
Azharuddin.
Yeah, that is the right answer. Preetham's killing it. Moves up to 30. So next question, question number 5, goes to Seshan again. So yeah, which other country did all these players represent in international cricket apart from their home nation? Hansi Cronje, Mark Waugh, Steve Waugh, Shahid Afridi, Saqlain Mushtaq, Jesse Ryder, Jonty Rhodes, and Owen Morgan.
Apart from their home nation. Okay.
Yeah, Preetham, very excited, but we have to follow an order.
Is it Ireland?
Ireland is the right answer. Good answer, Seshan. So Seshan opens his account with 10. Ireland is the team that they have represented. So the next question goes to Varad. Varad's direct. So in the finals of finals of NatWest series of 2002 is rightly remembered for heroics of Yuvraj Singh and Mohammad Kaif. Although Yuvraj Singh lost his wicket, Mohammad Kaif remained not out till the end. Who was the batsman at the other end? Who was batting with Mohammad Kaif when India won the match?
भाई 2002 में आई वाज बहुत ज्यादा छोटा था मैं याद रखने के लिए कौन होगा श्रीशांत come in that time नहीं मोहम्मद कैफ पास आइडिया
Okay,
नहीं है
going to Nanish.
Zahir Khan.
Zahir Khan is the right answer. Good job. 10 points to Nanish. Next question goes to Nitish. So Zahir Khan वो overthrow पे run भागा था. Okay, Nitish, you're direct. Which team ended Australia's 34 match winning streak at World Cup cricket from 1999 to 2011?
Okay. To 2011.
Yeah, so they hadn't lost a match from mid of 99 World Cup till somewhere in 2011 World Cup.
In 2011, India defeated Australia in semi-finals. So yeah, is that India?
Not India. Goes to Preetham.
Oh, I was thinking it was Australia. India. Anyway, India, Australia.
Guys,
11 World
I'm
Cup.
doing my work on my laptop also. So don't think I'm cheating. Okay. मैं साथ साथ काम भी कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा. Okay.
Ping नहीं कर लेना teammates को question.
Okay, just give me a Australia 11. Sri Lanka. I'm
Not
sure.
Sri Lanka. Going to Varad.
is it Bangladesh
Sorry, Seshan. Sorry, my bad. Not Bangladesh. Anyway, Seshan.
Pakistan?
Pakistan is the right answer.
I was thinking about Pakistan also.
Good answer, Seshan. Seshan moves to 20. And next direct to Varad. Okay, Varad. With regards to Ranji Trophy, connect these 5 batsmen. Tarwar Kohli, VVS Lakshman, Wasim Jafar, Cheteshwar Pujara, and Ravindra Jadeja. What connects them with regards to Ranji Trophy? You want to guess?
गेस ही करना पड़ेगा सारे मिडिल ऑर्डर बैट्समैन है
नहीं, मिडिल ऑर्डर बैट्समैन बहुत है. Moving to Nanish. So this is an exhaustive list. मतलब ये list में और कोई batsman qualify नहीं करता ये list में आने. Only
Okay.
these five have done what.
Triple centuries against the name.
No, a lot of batsmen have triple centuries in Ranji Trophy. Specific to these. Can you improve that answer?
Two triple centuries.
Yeah, that is the answer that I was looking for. So all of them have 2 triple centuries and Jadeja has 3. So Nanesh gets 10. Next direct to Nitish. Nitish, this team started off the IPL season with a mega 2 out of 7 wins, which was followed by the longest winning streak in IPL of 10 matches in 2014-2015, which resulted in them in being crowned the champions for the 2014 season. Which team are we talking about? So basically, IPL में सबसे लंबा winning streak कौन सी team का है? 10 matches का.
Is that KKR?
KKR is the right answer. Good job.
खाता खुल गया भाई.
Yeah, KKR, and they won the first match in 2015 and lost the second. Okay, next direct to Preetham. Who was the first Indian cricketer to endorse Brill Cream alongside Keith Miller and Dennis Compton?
I think Farooq Engineer.
Oh, good answer, man. That is
Damn,
a very
man.
good answer.
That was the
Superb.
best one. That is the best one so far.
Awesome answer. I didn't think anyone would crack this without a hint. So great answer. So 10 points to Preetham. Next direct to Seshan. So this poster was seen during a test match. Sandpaper special only R10 Sandpaper Gate. What is the poster about and name the players in
So it was Bancroft, Smith and Warner.
Okay.
And this is regarding the ball tampering scandal that happened.
Yeah, that is the correct answer. So David Warner, Steve Smith and Cameron Bancroft were the players involved and it was about ball tampering. So 10 points to Seshan. Good answer. Next direct goes to Varad. Varad, regarded as one of Australia's greatest fast bowlers, he earned the nickname the Demon. The most noteworthy achievement was the first international test hat-trick. Who are we talking about? So basically we're looking for a name of the bowler who has taken the first international test cricket hat-trick.
मुझे जब से मालूम है it is मैगराथ के
Not
टाइम से
McGrath.
मालूम है, not मैगराथ बस.
Okay, going to Nanish.
Dennis Lilly.
Not Dennis Lilly. Moving to Nitish.
The demon. Jeff Thompson.
Not Jeff Thompson. Moving to Preetham.
सारे bowlers cover
This-
जाएंगे.
वही दो ही थे यार फेमस तो थॉमसन एंड डेनिस लिली. उसके अलावा what hat-trick, right? Can you give? Okay. Am I the only one last or क्या बचा हुआ है?
No, Seshan is left. Yeah.
Is it like Craig McDermott?
Not Craig McDermott. Seshan.
Nathan Bracken.
Not Nathan Bracken. So I'll give a hint and it will be Varad's direct again for 5 points. So you guys are in the wrong era. We are looking at someone from the Bradman team.
Oh.
Okay. Varad की हंसी बोल रही है पास.
भाई पैदा तो होने देते.
Guess लेना कुछ?
नहीं भाई नहीं पास बस.
Okay.
नाम ही नहीं पता तो गेस का मतलब नहीं बनता.
Nanish.
Pass.
Okay. Nitish.
Okay. यार ये तो है कि पुराना ही होगा कोई, तो ये हिंट एक्चुअली काम का नहीं था. Okay. Pass, no idea.
Okay. Seshan. Sorry,
Pass,
Preetham.
pass.
Preetham.
Okay, I'm not sure. I'm just taking a guess. Keith Miller.
Not Keith Miller. Seshan.
Pass, pass.
Okay, the answer is Fred Spofford.
No idea. Never heard.
I missed out on reversing the order, so we'll reverse the order.
फाइनल
from
का
this
क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए था.
You should have asked our grandfathers actually for this question.
अगला क्विज उन लोग के लिए करवाते हैं प्री 1975 वर्ल्ड कप एरा. So we'll be reversing the order now. Last was Varad's direct.
How many questions remaining now?
So this was the 12th question. 8 more to go.
Okay.
So this was Varad's direct. We'll go to Preetham for the next question. Sorry, Seshan for the next
Seshan.
question.
Okay.
Seshan, who was the first bowler to reach 100 wickets in the IPL?
Lasith Malinga.
Lasit Malinga is the right answer. Good job. Get another
भाई
10
ऐसे
points.
क्वेश्चन मुझे क्यों नहीं आ रहे ये बताओ.
तो ऐसा
ये
लिखवा के
बिल्कुल ही
लाए हो
धोखा
तुम
चल
सब.
रहा है. मैं पैदा ही नहीं होता वो टाइम के क्वेश्चन मुझे मिल रहे हैं.
अरे तो बाकी सब तुमको ब्रैडमैन के हवाले लग रहे हैं. Okay, next question goes to Preetham. Preetham, so this is about an Indian batsman who played a season of county cricket for Scotland back in 2003-04
Dravid.
season.
Rahul Dravid.
Good answer. That is the correct answer.
Amazing.
10 more points to Preetham. Next direct is Nitish. So Nitish, which player was adjudged the man of the series in the 2019 World Cup?
Damn.
ये एज का बहाना नहीं दे सकते अभी.
हाँ, इसमें तो बहाना नहीं दे सकता यार.
सबसे ज्यादा फॉलो किया हो तुम नीतीश.
2019 वर्ल्ड कप में इंडिया बाहर हो गया था तो देखा नहीं मैंने ज्यादा. let me guess.
ये एक्सक्यूज नया वाला है.
इंडिया लास्ट सेमीफाइनल में बाहर गया था. By the way.
Okay. One second. Let me think. I think I'm getting close. Man of the series. Was that Williamson?
Ken Williamson is the right answer. Good job. 10 points
final.
to Nitish. Next direct is Gnanish. Gnanish, which legendary batsman's 189 of 170 deliveries in a team's total of 272 is rated as best ODI innings of all time by Wisden?
Which legendary batsman? 189 not out of 170.
189 मारा तो legendary होगा.
Best ODI innings of all time. हाँ, जिम्बाब्वे का है क्या ये? लेकिन लेजेंडरी कैसे हो? 189 not out. In total of 272. Pass.
Okay, going to Varad.
Pass.
Okay, going to Seshan.
Is it Chris Gaines?
Not Chris Gaines. Going to Preetham.
Might be wrong because I think both even Tendulkar at 189, but I think that was in New Zealand. That was score was much larger than. I know. Anyway, Tendulkar.
Not Tendulkar. Going to Nitish.
Virat Kohli.
Not Kohli. So we'll go with a hint. So think.
Mute है क्या? Rohit, we cannot hear you.
Check. Hello.
No, we can hear you.
I can hear you.
I can hear you.
Hello. Gnanish, आवाज आ रही है?
1 second, मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. हाँ, okay.
Okay, so no, the answer is not Virat Kohli. We'll go with the hint and it will be Nyanesh's question. So think batsman of the 80s era, 80s and
Okay.
early 90s.
Okay. Got it. Okay, I know the answer now.
80s and 90s. Krish Shrikant?
Not Chris Shrikant. Going to Varad.
क्या कौन है भाई 80s 90s में पापा नाम लेते तो रहते हैं विवियन रिचर्ड्स के आसपास कोई
Yeah, Vivian Richards is the correct answer. I'll take that.
अरे गजब.
So Varad opens his account with a 5.
भाई हम बॉलर है भाई बैट्समैन है ही नहीं
Good shot, भाई. Good shot, bhai. Good shot.
Yeah, so Vivian Richards played against England and scored 189 of 170. So next direct is Sishan for 10 points. Who has the highest batting average in tests for India?
Virat Kohli.
Not Kohli. Going to Preetham.
But is there like any limit? Like Human would have played like 2-3 test matches. What is the criteria?
Yes.
If you search for the highest batting averages, this guy's name will appear.
I mean, how
But
many
then
matches? to Shashank?
Unlimited. I mean, any
Yeah,
number of
actually,
matches. Doesn't matter
I know.
any.
If you would have like 3 matches and you would have maybe I don't know. It's just a bit a vague question.
Yes.
Okay. I know. Okay, let me think of highest batting. Okay, the guys who has played most, I think amongst them, I think Tendulkar has the highest average, but I think there might be someone else who has played less.
So, Preetham, when you're speaking out loud and eliminating people, it helps the others as well. So,
Okay, sorry.
be careful about that.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I will go with Tendulkar.
Not Tendulkar. Goes to Nitish.
Kambli.
Kambli is the right answer.
Oh,
Good answer.
nice. Yes, Kamli.
Good answer, Nitish.
How much he has? 60, right? Around
54.2, and the second is 53.2.
Oh, shit. Just okay. Tendulkar. Okay.
तो करुण
is
नायर
second?
क्यों नहीं है? करुण नायर ट्रिपल सेंचुरी के बाद ड्रॉप हुआ ना?
No. उसका नाम
नहीं,
नहीं था
उन्होंने-
लिस्ट में.
नहीं उन्होंने सचिन
highest-
तेंदुलकर तो सचिन तेंदुलकर बोल दिया बट लेकिन उसके साथ के दोस्त का नाम ले लेते
But
तो
I
फिर शायद
believe,
उनका
yeah,
पॉइंट
Karun Nair could have better average. He just played 2 matches with his
मैं
300
हाईएस्ट
score.
एवरेजेस सर्च किया तो इसका ही नाम आया खाली विनोद.
But I don't
थोड़ा
know.
वेग है ये, मिनिमम
Vague,
नंबर ऑफ मैचेस का
Yeah.
होना चाहिए था कुछ तो.
नहीं मैं वही
At least
बिना
50 matches होना चाहिए.
क्राइटेरिया के सर्च किया था मैंने.
even
बस
this
थोड़ा ट्रिकी आंसर था इसीलिए.
हाँ, तो जिसने भी डेब्यू पे सेंचुरी मारा, मान लो उसके बाद खेला ही नहीं तो
इसके लिए करुण नायर का नाम आया ना.
वही तो.
Okay, next direct is so Nitish answered for Vinod Kambli. Next direct is Nyanesh. Nyanesh, which Indian bowler holds the record for the best bowling figures in a T20 international match? He returned with figures of 6 for 7 in a match against Bangladesh on 10th November 2019.
oh man.
19 this international match Bangladesh 6 इंडियन
भाई,
बॉलर
ये बॉलिंग के ऊपर है यार, मेरे पे आना चाहिए था.
स्टुअर्ट बिनी.
Sorry.
Not
Yes.
Stuart Binney. Goes to Varad.
मैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन काहे के लिए यार ये करते हो
अरे यार, मैं भी Stuart Binney सोच
2019
रहा
का
था.
है वैसे नहीं 2019 का है वैसे
ओह शिट 2019 ओके.
जहीर खान खेल रहा था क्या तो नहीं ना
ऐसा सब पूछेगा तो मैं
अरे
disqualify
रुको
कर
ना
दूंगा.
भाई यार नहीं रुक जा गेस करने दे कौन था तभी बांग्लादेश के अगेंस्ट में चाहर में से कोई था क्या दीपक चाहर ये चाहर
अरे ऐसा मैं थोड़ी बोलेगा. ये
ठीक
था
है चल दीपक चाहर बोलता हूँ मैं नाम
दीपक चाहर is the right
Is the right answer, yes. अभी मुझे उसका इनिंग्स याद आया, वो 6 विकेट.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very good answer, Varad. So 2 questions to go. मैं एक बार scores बता देता हूँ. Nanesh is on 30, Preetham is on 50, Nitish is on 30, Sishan is on 40, and Varad is on 15. So top 2 will go to semis. So the score to beat is 40. Next question is Sishan's direct. Sishan, what do these cricketers, Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, and Rohit Sharma, have in common in terms of awards won?
Okay. Not sure. Pass.
Okay, goes to Preetham.
I think I need a clarity here. So these awards are like cricket related or what? Or is generic awards?
I can't say that.
Okay, because I know that I think the link between Dhoni, Virat Kohli, and Sharma, I know. Tendulkar, I think, has not won that. Anyway, so I think the link maybe is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award.
Khel Ratna is the correct answer. Very good answer. Sachin has won it.
Yeah, right. No. Because I was thinking about earlier this ICC player of the. I think Tendulkar has not won it.
Yeah,
ICC player of the.
right.
No.
Very good answer. So Preetham moves to 60. Last question of the quiz coming to Nitish. If there's a tie, we'll have to go through a tiebreaker. So Nitish, this is your question. Which stadium has the record of hosting the most international ODI matches in the world?
Damn.
ODIs only.
Is it related to the stadiums in India or overall in the world?
International ODI.
Any stadium.
Yeah.
Any stadium.
India could not be India.
The MCG?
Not the MCG. Going to Nanesh.
Lords?
Not Lords. Going to Varad.
Sharjah.
Sharjah is the right answer. Very good answer.
Chhod diya bhai, gazab.
So Varad making a good comeback. So that's the end of.
Wrong picture. This is Abu Dhabi. It's a Abu Dhabi picture, not
Oh, sorry.
stadium.
My bad. Yeah. So the points are Nanesh is on 30. Preetham finishes on 60. Nitish finishes on 30. Sishan on 40 and Varad on 25. So Sishan and Preetham will advance to the semis. Good game, guys. Very good game. So
Good game,
Good
guys.
Thank you.
thanks a lot. I'll let you know the.
Farooq Engineer was the best answer today.
That was the best.
Engineer was the
Brilliant.
killed it.
But yeah, Rohit, एक चीज तो